Students, we are going to solve this problem, the 14th problem. The Gamma company issued 60,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each, premium rupees 2, application rupees 3, allotment ಗೆ 5, there is premium, first and final call 4. Okay, so and this is the question. So first entry, first of all draw the lines, date, journal entries in the bariri, particulars, LF under ledger folio, debtor, credit, debit, credit, rupees. Okay, first there are two entries for application. Application ಗೆ ಎರಡು entries ಇದೆ. There are two entries for applications. So first entry is bank account debtor to share application account. Right narration being share application money received on 60,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. 60,000 is given in the question. Rupees 3 per share ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 60,003. Yes. Amount how to write here? I'm writing 60,000 into 3. 3 rupees they have given. Multiply this. When you multiply, you get 1,80,000. You multiply and write it here. And credit side this much. Okay, this is the money received agide. Now there is second entry for application, that is you have to transfer share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Your equity I am writing, students, because in the question they have mentioned equity shares anta helidare. If this equity is not there, the shares you write, just shares baridre aagtade. Idu equity. Preference if they have told, you have to write here to preference share capital. Now it is equity, so I am writing equity share capital. Write the narration being share application money transferred to share capital account. Amount same money is transferred. Idanne amount illi baridi. See, I am writing. Okay, same amount you have to copy and write. Fine. Okay, first two entries on application, did you understand? Same entries. All problems ige same. Bank account debtor to share application account, share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Okay, two entries aitu. Now next we'll see the third and fourth entry. Third and fourth entry for what? Allotment. On allotment rate is how much? 5. There is premium ide, including premium. Okay, allotment rate is 5, premium rate is 2, including premium helidare rupees 2 ide. So allotment ಗೆ entry is here share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to securities premium. Securities premium is credited because it is a gain for the company. Companyಗೆ gain ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. Okay, share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to securities premium. Bracket alli narration being share allotment money due on how many shares? Yes, 60,000 shares, 60,000 student shares at rupees 5 per share, including premium. Premium is there. I will tell the entry again. Share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to securities premium. Be in a narration. How to write the amount? Shares is 60,000. Yes, into. Yes, into. Allotment rate is how much you have told? Yes, 5. When you multiply, how much you get? 6 5 is 30. So this is 3 lakh. Okay. Now, securities premium rate is how much? How much you have told? Premium rate. Question alli ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Premium ಗೆ rate ಏನಿದೆ? See here. Premium is rupees 2. So into 2 ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So here it will become 60,000. 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. ಇದು 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. So when you multiply, here it will become 6, yes, 1,20,000. Here it will become 18. 1,80,000. Fine. Is it okay? Yes. Write the entry. Amount hege 60,000. Adu normal. Kottidare. Number of shares. How 5? Allotment 5 they have given. Premium ಗೆ 2 they have given. Question alli ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See. Allotment rate is 5. Premium rate ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Premium rate 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Number of shares navadu 60,000. Yes. Okay. Now for the money received on the allotment, that is bank account debtor to share allotment account. Yes, being share allotment money received on how many shares? 60,000 shares at rupees 5 per share. What is the money? E allotment ಗೆ how much money you have received here? 3 lakh. Adanne copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. There is no much calculation. If you just know the entries, no students, it is one of the easiest problem. Okay, finish. Allotment entry, finish. Allotment ಗೆ 2 entries. See, application ಗೆ 2 entries ittu. I have explained it. Ide 2 entry for all the problems. Yes, just number ಮಾತ್ರ change ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. First application there are 2 entries. Now allotment again, there is two entries. First is share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to securities premium. Yes, next received bank account debtor to share allotment account. Being allotment money received on how many shares? 60,000 shares. Rate is what? 5 per share. Now next what they are telling in the question, see students what they are telling here. Yes, as you can see, after allotment I do next is on first and final call rupees 4. Once again 60,000 into 4 ಮಾಡುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See how I'm writing? Share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Write the narration. Being a share first and final call money due on 60,000 shares at rupees 4 per share. Yes, this is the entry. Share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. So how many shares? Yes, is 60,000 same into rate is a 4. When you multiply 6 4 are 24. So 2,40,000 same year. Okay. So first and final call entry aitu, due entry aitu, due entry idu. Now for the money received, bank account debtor to share first and final call account of the baridi. Bank account debtor to share first and final call. Being right here, being share first and final call money received on a 58,500. Now see students, equationally L 58,500 is not given. How did I write that? See here, all the shares were subscribed and the money duly received except the first and final call money on 1,500 shares held by Mr. Sudesh. Andre ella shares, ella andre all the 60,000 shares were subscribed except the first and final call money on 1,500. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್, all the money was received except on 1,500 shares. First and final call ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ 1,500 shares ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So what will you do? Yes, I'll just write a simple 60,000 minus 1,500 you do. How much you will get? Yes, you will get 58,500, isn't it? So this I got. I minused it. E shares ಮತ್ತು E shares I have minused. I got 58,500. So that amount for the received you will write yes here. 58,500 into rate is 4. This rate is 4. When you multiply you will get 2,34,000. Okay. Same amount you put here. Is that okay? Yes. Now I took first and final call 2 entries are done. So application 2 entries, allotment get 2 entries, first and final call get 2 entries. Now what they are telling the sentence is there forfeiture ide. Forfeiture idre nodi. Yes, see, these shares were forfeited. What is that? These shares were forfeited. Just for this one sentence there is one entry. These shares were forfeited. Forfeited andre shares company cancel ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. For the cancellation there is an entry. Equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares to share first and final call account. Yes, equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares to share first and final call account. Okay, so how to write the amount? See here, how many shares ಮೇಲೆ money ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? Yes, 1,500. It is given in the question. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ 1,500 into 1,500 into ಬರೀರಿ. Yes, did you write 1,500 1,500? These shares were forfeited. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Yes, the yaur on what money has not received on this 1,500. So these shares are forfeited. Okay. Yes, so now you have written. Now equity share capital rate is how much? See, rate is always this. Nama capital rate is 10. So into 10 anta bariri here. Yes, forfeited we don't. Share first and final call rate is what? See here, share first and final call. What was the rate? First and final call rate was a 4. So that I am writing there. Okay. So 10 minus 4 is how much? Yes, 6. Now multiply. Okay, so when you multiply you will get here, see here, yes, 15,000. When you multiply here you will get 9,000. When you multiply this you will get 6,000. Okay, this. The narration of this I will send it in the group student. Yes, that is being forfeiture of 1500 shares for the non-payment of first and final call money. Okay, notes I will send it in the group. You have to just write B in a forfeiture of how many shares? 1500 shares for the non-payment of first and final call money at rupees 4 per share. That much only you have to write. Bekadre ನಾನು group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Now they are telling what, students, see the question. These shares are forfeit. Till here we have passed the entry. Now e one sentence ಗೆ to entry we have to pass. Only see, you have to make a correction in this problem. Here only it is 1000 only were reissued. Here 1000 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ printing mistake ಆಗಿದೆ. You write and 1000 only were reissued to Mr. Naresh at rupees 8 per share. You just write it, okay? Here misprint ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 1000 only were reissued to Mr. Naresh at rupees 8 per share. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ we will pass the entry. 1000 into 8 ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See here, write the entry that is they have reissued. Company ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? See 1500 shares was there. No, companies reissue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪುನಃ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ it is giving 1000. See 1500 shares company had cancelled. We have done forfeiture. Entry we have passed just now. In this 1500, company is reissuing. Puna it is giving to public only 1000 shares. 1000 you have to write, okay? Question ali just they have not misprint agide. So entry will be bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor, to equity share capital account. I will tell again, bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor, to equity share capital account. Amount how to write? How much is reissued? 1000 into. Right here 1000 into. Right here 1000 into. Share capital rate is what? It is 10. Please do not write 100. Here it is 10. See, e problem ige 100. See, the mining company I told rate was 100. But this problem it is not 100. It is 10. See, do not get confused. 10. Okay? Change irtade. Here this is this rate. Share capital rate. So it is a 10. Bank reissue rate is what? 8. Given in the question. Last cell nodi. 10 minus 8 is how much into 2? 8 from where? I hope you understood. Question alli kottidare nodi. Naresh at rupees 8. Reissue rate it is. So now multiply. When you multiply, you will get here, yes, 8000. This it will be 2000. When you multiply, this is 10,000. Correct? Okay. Right? Reissue of B in a reissue of how much? 1000 forfeited shares at rupees 8 per share has fully paid up. Okay, B in a reissue of 1000 forfeited shares at rupees 8 per share as a fully paid up. Last entry, you have to transfer the money to the capital reserve. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. So here, how to pass the amount? Just see here what I'm doing. How many shares? This is little different because here all 1500 shares were not reissued. So normally what we used to do, e amount minus e forfeited alli amount irudu, this amount 9000 minus this 2000 we used to do. But here we cannot do. Why? Because here all the shares are not reissued. Only 1500 only 1000 shares are reissued. So here see what I'm doing. See, 1000 into forfeited rate was how much? Question alli forfeited we have solved, no? Just nimma ee 7th entry alli nodi forfeited rate was how much? It was 6. So into 6 minus 1000 into illi forfeited rate is how much? 2 into 2 you have to do. So when you multiply this, you will get here 6000 minus 2000. When you minus, you will get here 4000. This is the answer. Capital reserve again, this much is transferred, right? B in a balance in forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve account. Yes, I will tell this treatment once again. See, normally forfeited shares account to capital reserve. Your amount, how we would write? 7th entry alli forfeited shares 9000. This minus 9000 minus 2000 we used to do. But e question alli what they have told? Only forfeited agide 1500 shares, but in that only 1000 is reissued. All is not reissued. In that case, see this entry ge forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve ge 1000 into 6. 6 from where I wrote? ಈ 450 ಇದು ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 6 minus 1000 into ಈ rate 2 minus multiply minus you'll get this. Okay, this is the answer. B, balance in forfeiture share account transfer to capital reserve. Thank you, students.